The title of today's discussion is Crafting Your Dream Space, a guide to creating an inspirational home interior ideas board. Hey there, fellow dreamers and interior design enthusiasts. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we're all about turning houses into homes and spaces into sanctuaries of inspiration and creativity. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of interior design to explore the art of creating an inspirational home interior ideas board. Whether you're embarking on a home renovation project, refreshing your living space, or simply daydreaming about your dream home, an ideas board is the perfect tool to help you visualize your vision, spark your creativity, and bring your design dreams to life. So grab your favorite design magazines, fire up your Pinterest boards, and let's embark on this journey to creating the home of your dreams together. Step number 1. Define your design style. First things first, let's start by defining your design style. Whether you're drawn to the sleek lines of modern minimalism, the cozy charm of rustic farmhouse, or the timeless elegance of traditional design, identifying your design style is the key to creating a cohesive and harmonious interior space. Take some time to explore different design styles, gather inspiration from magazines, websites, and social media platforms, and make note of the elements, colors, and textures that resonate with you. Consider creating a mood board or collage to visually capture your design style and use it as a reference point when curating your ideas board. Step number 2. Gather inspiration. Once you've defined your design style, it's time to gather inspiration from a variety of sources. Don't be afraid to cast a wide net and explore different design aesthetics, color palettes, and decorating ideas to find what inspires you. Flip through design magazines, browse online platforms like Pinterest and Instagram, visit home decor stores, and attend design events and home tours to gather inspiration from real-life spaces. Pay attention to the details, from furniture and accessories to paint colors and finishes, and take note of the elements that catch your eye and spark your imagination. Remember, inspiration can come from anywhere, so keep an open mind and let your creativity flow as you gather ideas for your interior design project. Step number 3. Curate your ideas. Now that you've gathered a wealth of inspiration, it's time to curate your ideas and create a cohesive vision for your interior space. Start by sorting through your inspiration images and identifying recurring themes, colors, and styles that resonate with you. Look for commonalities and connections between different images and begin to piece together a cohesive design concept for your space. Consider creating separate boards or folders for different rooms or areas of your home and organize your ideas accordingly to keep them easily accessible and manageable. As you curate your ideas, don't forget to consider practical considerations such as budget, space constraints, and lifestyle needs to ensure that your design vision aligns with your reality. Step number 4. Create a digital or physical board. With your ideas curated and organized, it's time to bring your vision to life by creating a digital or physical ideas board. There are many ways to approach this step, so choose the method that works best for you and your design process. If you prefer a digital approach, consider creating a Pinterest board or a digital mood board using design software or online tools like Canva or Adobe Spark. Use your curated inspiration images to create a visually stunning collage that captures the essence of your design vision, and add notes or captions to provide context and inspiration for each image. Alternatively, if you prefer a hands-on approach, consider creating a physical ideas board using a corkboard, poster board, or foam core. Print out your inspiration images and arrange them on the board, adding fabric swatches, paint samples, and other tactile materials to bring your vision to life in 3 dimensions. Step number 5. Focus on key elements. As you create your ideas board, focus on highlighting key elements that define your design vision and set the tone for your interior space. Whether it's a statement piece of furniture, a bold color palette, or a unique architectural feature, identify the elements that will serve as the focal points of your design and make them the stars of your ideas board. Use larger images or bold captions to draw attention to these key elements and arrange supporting images and ideas around them to create a cohesive and balanced composition. By focusing on key elements, you'll create a clear and compelling vision for your space that captures your design style and personality. Step number 6. Incorporate texture and dimension. As you curate your ideas and create your ideas board, don't forget to incorporate texture and dimension to add depth and visual interest to your design. Texture plays a crucial role in interior design, adding richness and warmth to a space and creating visual contrast and tactile appeal. Look for inspiration images that showcase a variety of textures, from soft fabrics and natural fibers to sleek metals and rough-hewn woods, and incorporate them into your ideas board to create a multi-dimensional and sensory-rich design experience. Consider adding tactile elements to your physical board, such as fabric swatches, wallpaper samples, and textured materials to bring your design vision to life and stimulate the senses. Step number 7. Experiment with color. Color is another important element to consider as you create your ideas board, as it sets the mood and tone for your interior space and has a profound impact on the overall look and feel of a room. Experiment with different color palettes and combinations to find the perfect hues that reflect your personal style and complement your design aesthetic. Whether you're drawn to bold, saturated colors or soft, muted tones, don't be afraid to play with color and explore different possibilities. Use your ideas board to experiment with different color schemes, incorporating swatches, paint chips, and color samples to see how different colors interact and influence the look and feel of your space. By experimenting with color, you'll discover new possibilities and find the perfect palette to bring your design vision to life. Step number 8. Consider functionality and practicality. As you finalize your ideas board and refine your design vision, don't forget to consider functionality and practicality to ensure that your interior space is not only beautiful, but also livable and functional. Think about how you use each room in your home and what specific needs and requirements you have for each space. Consider factors such as traffic flow, storage needs, and furniture placement, and incorporate practical solutions and design elements into your ideas board to address these concerns. Whether it's built-in storage solutions, multifunctional furniture, or space-saving design features, make sure that your design vision aligns with your lifestyle and meets the needs of you and your family. Step number 9. Iterate and refine. Creating an ideas board is an iterative process, so don't be afraid to iterate and refine your design vision as you go. As you gather feedback, explore new ideas, and experiment with different possibilities. Your vision may evolve and change over time. Embrace this process of exploration and discovery and be open to new inspiration and insights that may come your way. Use your ideas board as a dynamic tool to capture your evolving design vision and reflect your changing tastes and preferences. Whether you're refining your color palette, adjusting your furniture layout, or exploring new design trends, trust your instincts and let your creativity guide you as you refine your ideas board and bring your design vision to life. Step number 10. Bring your vision to life. Finally, with your ideas board complete and your design vision fully realized, it's time to bring your ideas to life. See our other discussion about how to bring your ideas to reality. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share so you don't miss other valuable design discussions. Thank you.